Alright, now I'm ready. So, after doing the pink stuff for the Thanksgiving special, I have a little bit of leftover pecan, and since I'm running the smoker, I wanted to try making some smoked pecan pieces. So, got a cup and a half to a quarter of a cup of pecans. I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of butter and about 2 teaspoons of sugar. So we'll get the Tbl Butter in for this. 2, 3. Now, if you do just the butter the way it is, you might end up with some burning fat. Whereas if you clarify your butter first, when you melt it down completely, let it chill, take the fat off the top, then use your clarified butter and the water. That works out great too. So for me, I'm just going to try it without clarifying. I'm just gonna use up some extra ingredients and have fun. Alright, first I want to melt the butter. So here we have the butter melting. If you look closely up against where the blob of butter is, you can see the separation of the fat, the water, and the clarified butter. Now the butter is all melted, as you can see, and we're going to put in our pecans, salt them, sugar them, and toss them around a little bit, and then put them back in this little aluminum foil pan to go right out onto the smoker. One tablespoon, a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. We want them good and coated. Okay. Now time to head out to the smoker.
Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for joining Crafty Maryanne.